everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change background color on KineMaster. Changing the background color in KineMaster can be achieved by using a solid color clip or a color layer. So in order to do that, first of all open your KineMaster application and start up a new project. Once you get to this editing screen, click on Media at the top right. From your device's camera roll or other sources provided by KineMaster, select any one layer. It can be a video or image layer. After you select a video from your device's camera roll or other sources, tap on the tick mark at the top right, and the video will now be added onto your timeline. Now, tap on the video layer and this will open up several tools on the right hand side. Select backgrounds from the options and select the background options that are available. You can choose from color, blur, or transparent backgrounds. In order to change your background color, go ahead and select color option. Now choose from the color palette and pick the color you want to add as your background color, and then tap on the tick mark at the top right. This will then add solid color on your background. You can pick any of your color from the palette and you will be good to go. So that's how you add background colors on your project using KineMaster. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.